Hi, good morning, children. How are you doing today? Awesome. I'm very glad. I'm very glad. Me too. Thank you. So today, in our language arts lesson, we're going to cover the parts of a sentence. But before we begin with that, I have 3 pictures to show you. And I'm going to select randomly who will give me a sentence related to the picture. Okay? So here on our projector, I'm going to display 3 pictures. This is the first one. So, Morgan, what do you see in this first picture? Give me a sentence related to this picture, a complete sentence. Very good. My cousin always plays soccer. Very good. Okay. So, my cousin always plays soccer. Very good, Morgan. Beautiful sentence. Okay, so now let's go with our second picture. Sorry, a little bit of technical. Okay. Rausel, give me a sentence, a complete sentence for this image on the projector. The man landed on the moon. Very good. Very, very good. The man. What other word can we use instead of man? What is he? An astronaut. Very good. The astronaut landed on the moon. Very good. Okay. So now let's see our third picture. Okay. Vanessa, give me a sentence, complete sentence once again for this picture. Yes, the little girl is feeding the giraffe. Very good. The little girl is feeding the giraffe. Okay, so now that we're done describing our pictures, we're gonna dissect. We're gonna be scientists. We're gonna dissect our sentences and find the 2 parts versus sentences. So each sentence, each complete sentence, has a subject and has a predicate. The subject would be the who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate would be the action. The action going on in the sentence. Okay? So then in our first sentence, my cousin always plays soccer. What's our subject? What are we talking about? Who's doing the action? My cousin. Very good. So our subject, we're going to underline it once. My cousin. That's our subject, right? So then, what would be our predicate? What's going on in the sentence? What is my cousin doing? Always plays soccer. Very good. So this would be our predicate, and our predicate goes underlined twice. Very good. Okay. Our next sentence. The astronaut landed on the moon. Let me see, Jacob. What's our subject here? Who is the sentence about? Who or what is the sentence about? The astronaut. Very good. And how many times do we underline it? Once. Awesome, guys. Now, what would be our predicate? Landed on the moon. Very good. And we underline it twice. Now, our last sentence, third sentence. Let's see, Adira. What's my predicate in this sentence? What's going on? What's the action? Very good. It's feeding that giraffe. And how many times do I underline it? Twice. Very good. And so then our subject would be what? Who is feeding the giraffe? Awesome, the little girl. There we go. So then subjects, most of the time, our subjects would be the first part of the sentence, and the predicate would be our second part or the last part of the sentence. Okay? So very, very good job. So now I'm going to give you an erasers first. I'm going to put 3 examples once again. Let's see. Was running around the house. Okay. Then, over here, another sentence. My school. And then I have our third example. Cooks dinner every night. Okay? So now, I'm going to call in 3 of you, and you're going to tell me if the part that I have is a predicate or the subject, and then you're going to give me the missing part of your sentence, okay? So, Diego was running around the house. What part of the sentence is this? The subject, the who or what, or the predicate, the action? The action, very good, that's our predicate. So we underline it twice. And now give me our subject. My little brother. Awesome, very good. My little brother. And this is our subject, and it goes underlined once. Now, Joel, my school. Is this a subject or the predicate? The subject, very good. And yes, it goes underlined once. Very good. So now, tell me something about my school. My school has a big playground. Very good. Has a big playground. So we underline it twice. And now our third example. Let's see. Mariana cooks dinner every night. Would this be our subject or our predicate? Very good, it's our action. Cooks dinner every night, so we underline it twice. Very good. So then give me a predicate. Give me a predicate. My grandma. Very good. So now I'm going to explain an activity that we're going to do to practice our subject and our predicates. So I'm going to give every table a set of subjects and predicates. I'm going to give you a sentence, but it's going to divide it into 2 parts. Yes, the subject and the predicate. Then I'm going to give you, each one of you, either the subject or the predicate of the sentence. And then you're going to be in charge of one by one, telling your group, only your table group, not the whole class, only your group, what part of the sentence you have. So let's say I have my dog. I'm going to tell all of my group, I have my dog, and this is the subject of my sentence because it's a who or what, more than likely of what the sentence is going to be about. So then, once everyone has discussed, you're going to look between the other parts that are going to be in the middle of your table and find, in this case, the predicate, which would be, which one makes sense? This one. My dog barks at everyone who passes by our house. And you're going to be doing this. And once you're finished and everyone has their sentences, you'll be coming up and putting your sentence in this poster board.